Good morning, dear student and parents. I hope you all are safe and sound at home. Student, in the previous class, we read about the sun and what is the importance of the sun in our universe. And we read that the sun is the most important part of our life. Without sun, life is not possible. Right, students? Today, we are going to read about a new topic. Now, I am going to say a riddle. You will listen it very carefully and give me the answer. What is round but not always around? What is round but not always around? Many have walked over me. Many have walked over me, but cannot live on me. Who am I? Who am I? Yes, guess about it. It is moon. What is it? It is moon. So what is our today's topic, students? Our today's topic is the moon. And keywords for today's class: moon and sun. And it is the third lesson plan of block number 17. And what is our today's aim? Today we will compare the sun with the moon. Today we will compare the sun with the moon. In the previous class we read about the sun, so we have enough knowledge about sun. So in the today's class we will learn about the moon's feature. हम moon के features के बारे में पढ़ेंगे and compare the feature of the sun with the moon. So this is our today's aim, to compare the features of the moon to the sun. Means हम sun और moon के features को compare करेंगे. Before going to start our today's activity, I want to ask some questions to you. When do you see the moon? Do you see it every day? And how does it look like? We see the moon at night. It is round in shape and its color is white and silver. We cannot see it as round from the earth. Every day whenever we see the moon from the earth, every day it is not in round shape. Sometimes its shape is changed. So we cannot see round shape of the moon from the earth every day. We can see different shapes of moon from the earth. Now let's start our today's activity. In activity, what will we do? We will read page number 4 and it is given about the moon. In your notebook you will make the table like this: things clear about moon, things not clear about moon. After reading you will write the things which are clear to you about moon, you will write here, and things which are not clear to you about moon you will write in this page. Now open page number 4 of your content book. The moon. The moon is a satellite of the earth. A satellite is an object that goes around a planet. Means what is moon? Moon is a satellite. It is a natural satellite of the earth. Earth का ये natural satellite होता है. A satellite is an object that goes around a planet. Satellite एक object होता है that goes around a planet. एक planet के चारों तरफ वो चक्कर लगाता है. Right? Like Earth का planet, Earth एक planet है और अर्थ का जो सैटेलाइट है वो मून है. सो मून गोज अराउंड द सन. द मून गोज अराउंड द अर्थ. द मून इज स्मॉलर देन द सन. It is also round in shape, but we see different shapes of the moon from the earth. This is because we see only that part of the moon which receives sunlight. The moon does not give its own light. Life is not possible on the moon because it does not have air or water. There are many astronauts who have been to the moon. Means what is the shape of the moon? Its shape is round, but we see different shapes of the moon from the earth. Why cannot we see the round shape of the earth every day? Why cannot we see the round shape of the moon every day? This is because we see only that part of the moon which receives sunlight. For this you can take the example of this picture. In this picture you can see the different shapes of the moon, and we can see only that part of the moon which is getting the sunlight of the sun. Means जो sunlight जिस पार्ट मून के जिस पार्ट को जितने पार्ट को सनलाइट मिलती है उतना ही पार्ट अर्थ से हमें विजिबल होता है. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस वी आर नॉट एबल टू सी द राउंड शेप ऑफ द मून एवरी डे. In this picture you can see the different shapes of the moon. Here we can see the part of the moon which receives sunlight, and in the next picture you can see the full moon. In the upcoming picture you can see only a part of the moon which receives sunlight, And in this picture you can see here are the different faces of the moon. The moon does not give its own light. Moon की अपनी खुद की light नहीं होती है. It gets light from the sun. Life is not possible on the moon because it does not have air or water. Why life is not possible on the earth? As it does not have air or water. And there are many astronauts who have been to the moon. What are these astronauts? A person who travels to the space. जो space में जाता है जो person उसको हम astronaut कहते हैं. So many astronauts who have been to the moon. बहुत सारे astronauts हैं जो moon पर गए हुए हैं. Neil Armstrong is the first person who stepped on the moon. Here you can see the picture of Neil Armstrong. Now move to the analysis part, students. First question is, which facts about the moon are you clear about? Just now you have completed the reading section. You have done the reading. After this reading, which facts about the moon are you clear about? First of all, the student, moon is the natural satellite of the earth. And the satellite, it goes this is the natural satellite of the earth. It goes around the earth. ये अर्थ के चारों तरफ चक्कर काटता है. एंड व्हाट इज द सैटेलाइट? सैटेलाइट होता क्या है बेटा? सैटेलाइट इज अ काइंड ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट दैट गोज अराउंड द प्लैनेट, जो प्लैनेट के चारों तरफ चक्कर काटता है. एंड सो मून इज द नेचुरल सैटेलाइट ऑफ द अर्थ एंड इट गोज अराउंड द अर्थ. Moon is white and silver in color. It is round in shape as we read in the reading part also, and we can see only that part of the moon which receives the sunlight, and other part of the moon is not visible, so we cannot see the round shape of the moon every day, and we can see the moon at night every day. And next question is, which facts are you not clear about? Which facts are you not clear about? Why the life is not possible on the moon? Why is life not possible on the moon? Why is it not possible? As in the reading section we read, there is no air and water. It has water but it is very little, right? And air is not there, so without air, so we can say oxygen is also not there, so without oxygen we cannot breathe. That is why life is not possible. Next question is, what are the features of the moon as compared to the sun? Now here we will compare the features of the moon with the sun. As you know, as we have read in the reading section, many people have walked on the moon but not on the sun, as it is the ball of hot gases, very hot gases, so it is not possible to walk upon it, to move upon it. It has heat and light, but unlike the moon, the sun has its own light and it produces the yellow light. Next question is, which is bigger in size, the sun or the moon? Which is bigger in the size? Both the sun and moon looks in same size from the earth, but in fact the sun is much bigger than the moon, since the moon is much closer to the earth as compared to the sun, because sun is far away, means बहुत ज़्यादा दूर है sun is far away from the earth, and moon is closest to the earth as compared to the sun. So when we see earth and moon, it looks same in size. Now it is time for higher order thinking question, the horse. The moon is round in shape, but why do we not see it round every day? As we know the shape of the moon, it is round in shape, but every day, why do we not able to see it round in shape? Why? Think about it, students. Parents, please pause the video so that student can give their own answer. The moon does not have its own light. The part of the moon which receives sunlight can be seen from the earth. That is why we can see the different shapes of the moon, and sun has its own light and heat, so it is constant and still, and we can see the round shape of the sun. Application part, do S3 on page number 7 in your workbook. Open your workbook, page number 7. The moon. Draw the moon in the box below. Write 5 words to describe the moon. Here in this box you will draw the picture of the moon and you will write 5 words to describe the moon. Question number 2. Write the differences between the sun and the moon in the table below. Here you will write the differences. What are the different features of the sun and the moon? Question number 3. Why do we see different shapes of the moon from the earth? At last, it is time for homework. You will do practice question number 5 and 6 on page number 6 in your content book. Question number 5 is write two differences between the sun and the moon. Question number 6, why do we see different shapes of the moon from the earth? As we have done all these things in the discussion part. At last, it's time for summarization. Our today's topic is the moon. We read about the moon. Moon is round in its shape. And what is its color? Its color is white and silver. And we can see the moon at night. But we cannot see moon every day in round shape. Why? Because we see only the part of the moon which receives sunlight, and other part of the moon we cannot see, which is not receiving the sunlight. Life is not possible on the moon. It receives light from sun. So this is all about our today's topic. Now be ready for the next class. The resources for next class are content book, notebook and workbook. Thank you. Have a nice day.